I am attempting something and I don't know how well it will work. I want to try and create a watermelon. So I have 3 scrapers. This will give me the grass, then this one will give me the green, and this will give me the white, and then I'll pour the red. And I probably should have created a 4th scraper that is flat so I could scrape the red off. But I didn't do that because I just wasn't thinking at the time, and it didn't dawn on me until I was about to make the soap. So I'm just going to try and pour it evenly and go with it. I made seeds. So we got lots of seeds. I made ants, which I want to basically place across the top like they're crawling on it. And then I have ants and watermelon for the top. So that's the plan. That's the challenge. We'll see if it works. So I'm using my 16 bar. This is a 5-pound mold from Soap Supply. I've been having fun with this mold. I like it. So anyways, I'm gonna go prep the soap base and come back, pour the first layer and scrape it and hope that it all goes well.
It's not bad. That looks like a watermelon. The ants sunk down. I really wish I had had that top scraper to smooth the top over so it was completely straight. The seeds moved up. I wish they had stayed down, but you know, those are minor things. I just wish the ants had been a little more just on top and hadn't sunk into the red, but I mean, the scrapers worked. I have the watermelon. It looks like a watermelon. I might have done smaller seeds next time. These are my larger seeds. I think the ants are cute. And I love the top with the watermelon and ants. So, yeah, it's not bad. Like I said, I'm just a little bummed that the seeds moved. And I wish the ants had been sitting right on top and I hadn't thought to make that top scraper. But I'll take it. It's cute. It did what I wanted to. Just lessons learned for next time. A few minor things, but it looks like a watermelon. So, you know, I can't complain. I'm surprised too that the scrapers actually worked pretty darn well. Like, there are little air gaps here and there, like that, but they're tiny, few things on the side. And there's a few spots where the white wasn't 100% perfect. Mostly I think that's because I hit it with my spatula, not because of the scrapers. I actually think the scrapers did a pretty good job. My seed got pushed in there. So all in all, I'm happy with how the scrapers worked. But yeah, this is the last summer soap. I have no idea what order this video will air in, but as of today, April 22nd, I think that's today's date. I have lost track of days and times. All the summer soaps are made. They're on the cure rack. They will be ready for June 1st. I'm really excited about 90% of the summer designs. There are a couple that went a little wonky that weren't quite what I was going for, but overall they're all fun and cute and I really like them. Yeah, let me know what you think.